Okay, everyone, in this video, I want to share to all of you about how making this unique table with a lumber with a lock, as we can see in this screen. Okay, first of all, I have to make the basic shape with a rectangle or rotated rectangle. It's depend on you, but in this case, I want to just make the box, the rectangle with a rectangle only. So we have to set the rectangle with the dimension 1000 millimeter, and for the width it's around 600 millimeter right there. Then we have to push it up approximately. We can imagine about the reference that it's approximately about 200 millimeter. Okay, and then we can just triple click this one and right click and just make group. Okay, then we can set the height of the table from the floor. So we can move it on the floor first by following the blue axis. Then we can move it up around 500. Okay, this is about the height from the floor to the top table or the to the countertop. Okay, then we can make the support like this with using the circle to be a cylinder right there. Then we can using the circle. Okay, just click it and then we can position from the surface. Okay, approximately right there, and then we can set the radius. Maybe it's around 100, and we can move and place on this position. And okay, then we can make again about the circle, approximately about the 100 or more. It's depend on your creativity. Again, it's depend on your creativity. Approximately maybe just like this. Then um, we have to move and duplicate until this position, and move and duplicate until this position. Okay, this one, and then we can push it to the back as wide. The width of the cylinder, maybe it's similar for the width of the table. Okay, and then we can right click and make group, and we can also make this one and triple click, right click and make group, and this is also triple click, right click and make group. Okay, so then we can move until touch the floor, and we can move right there. Okay, so we can make the scale. We can just select this both of cylinder, and then we can select the scale, and then we can uh, adjust the scale until meet the floor like this. And then and also we can move this one until get the proper um, get the proper composition. Then we can scale it right there. Okay, this one. Okay, I mean it was almost complete. So we can set the material. Right now we can set the material with wood. We can using this one. Okay, then we can using this one with another material. Maybe for example, I just choose this material right there. For making the cylinder like this, you have to make the a lot of cylinder by using the circle, and then you can arrange it on this top table anyway. For example, you can make the small cylinder like this. Then you have to push it until the back. Okay, just make group, and okay, so you can move, duplicate, and just click this position and then type X 40 maybe. Okay, this one, and delete some unnecessary object right there. And also you can make the counter orientation by just select for the sum of the cylinder right there. Then you have to rotate it to the another orientation right there. So we can place on this position and duplicate it. Okay. And then we have to duplicate it again, approximately just like this. And okay, we can uh, make the scale. Maybe we can make the scale of this sum of cylinder, or we can just make group first, and then we can using the scale and place this position, and then we can okay, we can adjust for the unscaled object, maybe just like this. Okay, then we can select all this top table, or okay, maybe we can delete them unnecessary. Okay, maybe we can make group and place to the another position, for example with a move and duplicate, move and duplicate. So we can delete this one, then we can select all, and we can place on this position. So we can adjust the material, wood material, and also we can adjust the color of the wood material itself for this example, just like this. Okay, okay, I mean it was a complete tutorial, so you can try by yourself to making this unique table with the lock material just like this. Okay, thanks for watching and wait for my next tutorial in this channel. Thank you.